The main idea was to create a perfect setting that can strengthen our minds and our creative spirits. We wanted our house to mimic a very natural setting so that we are completely free in our minds. And this also explains the name of the house in a much deeper sense. Mornings at this home are generally very active and are spent in the living spaces. As the day proceeds further, the spaces transform from being very active to more stable and stationary. Hi, I am Nilesh Bansal, an architect and co-founder of Chaukor Studio. The idea was to create infinite experiences within the medley of spaces. The transitioning space acts as a point where the public spaces and private spaces connect. It is one of the most interesting spaces in our house, and it also changes its character throughout the day. As a conscious choice, we have decided to not take our mobiles or any kind of electronic device into our bedrooms. The bedrooms are kept completely segregated from the active centers of the house. These private spaces are planned with minimal elements which make them intimate and give them a stillness of sorts. To make the experience soothing, an outdoor private space is designed with the bedrooms, which floods it with the ambient light and makes it like a sequestered sanctuary of sorts. We have aimed and designed our house as a space where we can completely unwind and begin each day, each morning with a very fresh perspective and a positive outlook.